So hello everyone, we got a package. Let's quickly unbox. This is from Amazon. So when you buy some costly product, you focus on safeguarding it as well. So this is one such product. So this is basically a protecting case for my MX Master mouse, and I got it for around 300 rupees. Let's see how the quality is. Looks fairly decent. Not very sure of the size, so it has SPU leather. No, sorry, SPU, but shell is good. This cushions are there to safeguard it. Then this design, I think this design is specifically for the back of the mouse to get aligned. But still, I feel it's little small for the size. You see, it's not new one. Okay, let's see if it fits. It is good. Size is fine. Mm, let's see if dongle fits in here. Okay, yeah. So this, but if you see, this is not that big enough to accommodate this part. I think it's just to showcase, right? If you see, the size also of this is not that big enough. Just holding this middle part is the main feature. And also, if you see this side, it's not that wide. And it has this design here where ideally that should be part of, see, so this shape at this point I don't feel like it's good, but overall I think this does the job. Yeah, so that's it for this unboxing. There are other products also which are like around 400, 500, 550 as well, but I thought I'll just give it a try, and because this has extra cushions on the top, I thought it would be better to try this. Fine, if this wants out, I'll get the other one and review that as well. But for now, I think that's it. So this is the unboxing of the LIRAMARK Logitech MX Master carry case. Okay, thank you.